Hello, Valiant Technology here with another Tech Bite. Keyboard shortcuts can be a huge time saver, and for many people, it's just more comfortable than making moves with your mouse. There are so many to choose from, but today I want to talk about 5 that will help you navigate through tabs in your browser. First, let's talk about switching tabs in your browser. You have a couple of tabs open, you want to go to another one. It's really simple. You can do Control-Tab to move forward, or Control-Shift-Tab to move backward. If you've ever done Alt-Tab to switch between windows, it's pretty much the same thing. And if you haven't, that's a freebie. Alt-Tab can switch between windows. The second keyboard shortcut I want to show you is one I've only recently learned about. It's also for switching tabs, but it's to go to a specific tab. While I'm usually a Control-Tab person to get to the tab that I want, you can be more direct by doing Control plus a number. So if I do Control-2, it's going to move to the second tab. Let's say I want to switch to the Teams tab. That one is the fourth one, Control-4. Easy peasy. For the third one, I'm going to teach you the keyboard shortcut to close a tab. Sometimes if I go to close a tab, I accidentally close the whole thing if I'm using the mouse. Even if you don't make that mistake, it's really convenient to close the tab that you're on by clicking Control and F4. This next keyboard shortcut is not only a time saver, but a tab saver. If you've ever closed out of a tab and then realized, oh shoot, I did need something else on that page, you can get it back really quickly with Control-Shift-T. Sure, you could just go to your history, find the page, click blah, 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 blah. But if it's just a really quick thing, maybe you Control F4 too quickly, Control-Shift-T will bring it back. I can't tell you how many times Control-Shift-T has saved my bacon. Lastly, I want to talk about a super common one, but a helpful one nonetheless. Number 5 is F5. This one key refreshes the tab that you're on. This is super useful for getting an error on a page, or if you just want to reload a page to see new content, or to get the updated version of a page. Now, no need to do this on our Valiant YouTube page. If you're waiting with bated breath for new content, just click the subscribe button and you'll get notified when new videos go live. Or if you learn better from written instructions, just go to our knowledge base at thevaliantway.com/knowledge base. Bye-bye.